Welcome back to CarOG 765. If you love classic American RVs, luxury motorhomes, and unique vehicles that still turn heads today, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an exciting video. Today, we are taking a closer look at the 2009 Winnebago Adventurer 32H, a motorhome that combines comfort, power, and practicality in one impressive package. Even though it was introduced more than a decade ago, this RV continues to attract attention from travelers and RV enthusiasts across the United States. At first glance, the 2009 Winnebago Adventurer 32H looks like a true road-going home. Its large-class motorhome design gives it a commanding presence on the highway. The sleek front end, large windshield, and stylish body graphics make it stand out from ordinary vehicles. Whether parked at a campground or cruising down an interstate highway, this RV has a premium appearance that still feels modern today. One of the biggest reasons people love the Adventurer 32H is its spacious interior. The moment you step inside, you are greeted by a living area designed to make long journeys comfortable and enjoyable. The slide-out sections expand the interior space, creating a roomy environment that feels much larger than expected. Families can relax, watch television, enjoy meals, or simply unwind after a day of travel. The seating area is designed for comfort, offering plenty of room for passengers. Large windows allow natural light to fill the cabin, creating an open and welcoming atmosphere. Travelers can enjoy beautiful views of mountains, forests, deserts, or coastlines without leaving the comfort of their motorhome. Moving into the kitchen area, the Adventurer 32H offers many of the conveniences found in a traditional home. There is a refrigerator, microwave, stove, storage cabinets, and a spacious countertop. This setup allows owners to prepare meals while traveling, helping them save money and enjoy home-cooked food wherever they go. The dining area is equally impressive. Families can gather together for breakfast, lunch, or dinner without feeling cramped. This makes the motorhome especially appealing for long road trips where comfort and convenience are essential. Another standout feature is the bedroom. Unlike smaller RVs, the Adventurer 32H provides a comfortable sleeping area that feels private and relaxing. The bed is large enough for a good night's sleep, while additional storage compartments help keep belongings organized. For travelers spending weeks on the road, this level of comfort can make a huge difference. The bathroom is also surprisingly spacious for a motorhome. It includes a shower, sink, and toilet, giving travelers the convenience of home no matter where they are parked. This feature is especially valuable when visiting remote locations where public facilities may not be available. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2009 Winnebago Adventurer 32H is powered by the Ford Triton V10 engine. This engine is known for its reliability and strength. Despite the vehicle's large size, the V10 provides enough power to handle highways, hills, and long-distance travel with confidence. Driving a large motorhome may seem intimidating at first, but many owners praise the Adventurer for its smooth ride and stable handling. Advanced suspension systems help improve comfort, making long journeys less tiring for both drivers and passengers. One of the most exciting aspects of owning a motorhome like this is freedom. Imagine waking up near a beautiful lake one day, parking beside a mountain range the next day, and then enjoying a sunset by the ocean a few days later. The Adventurer 32H allows travelers to explore America while bringing many of the comforts of home along for the journey. For camping enthusiasts, this RV offers excellent storage capacity. Outdoor equipment, luggage, camping gear, and travel essentials can all be stored conveniently. This makes it ideal for extended vacations and cross-country adventures. Even in today's RV market, many buyers continue searching for used Winnebago Adventurer models because of their reputation for durability and quality construction. Winnebago has long been recognized as one of America's most respected RV manufacturers, and the Adventurer series remains one of its most admired product lines. As the years have passed, the 2009 Adventurer 32H has earned a loyal following among RV owners. Many appreciate its balance of luxury, practicality, and affordability compared to newer motorhomes that often cost significantly more. So, is the 2009 Winnebago Adventurer 32H still worth attention today? Absolutely. It offers a spacious interior, powerful performance, reliable engineering, and the freedom to travel wherever the road leads. For many RV enthusiasts, it remains a fantastic choice for exploring the United States in comfort and style. Thank you for watching Car OG 765. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments whether you would travel across America in the 2009 Winnebago Adventurer 32H. Stay tuned for more amazing vehicles, classic RVs, and automotive stories. See you in the next video.